the number one side hustle that'll make you six figures. Hello, everybody. My name is Johnny Campbell, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the number one side hustle that can help you make six figures. And here's the secret to it all. The one thing that can help you make that six figures as a side hustle, you've already paid for it, you've already invested in it, you already know about it, and you're already credible. So you wonder, what is it? The number one side hustle that will make you six figures is your knowledge or a hobby. Now repeat that. It's your knowledge or a hobby. That is the number one side hustle that will make you six figures. But here's the key. You have to position, you have to promote it, and you have to package it so that you can profit from it. That is the key to your success. Now, when you look at why this would be the most profitable way for you to make six figures, when there are all other kind of programs out there, such as there's affiliate programs, there's Amazon, there's all kinds of other things that you could do as a side hustle, but why is your knowledge or a hobby so much better than all the rest? Well, for one, it's a legacy. When you create a product around your knowledge or a hobby and share that with others, you're leaving a lasting legacy in your family. Number two is ownership. When you create a product, a digital product around your knowledge or a hobby that you love, you own that, and no one can ever take that from you. In all of these other types of side hustles, if you stop doing it, it will go away. If you stop investing in it, it will go away. This is something that will keep going on and on and on because you own it. And then, of course, this is something, your knowledge and your hobby, and turning that into a product can create perpetual residual income. It's all about ownership. And the only thing that you will gain from all of these other ones is you will give your time up for them and you will make money from them. But where the greatest opportunity to have full control, full ownership, and ongoing revenue in perpetuity is when you turn your knowledge or a hobby you love into a product that other people can consume. And that's something that I've been doing for 20 plus years as a professional speaker. See, I'm not just an internet guy, because I'm not. I've moved on to the internet to continue to share my message and to share my insights. But I'm a professional speaker. I'm also a business person and an entrepreneur. And so I come from this from a different angle totally than most. I don't have flashy things to show you or flashy things to say. What I want to do is just help you get to where you want to be. If you've got knowledge that you know others could benefit from, if you have a hobby that you love, that you know if other people out there love it too, but you love to share with them the joy of that hobby, then that's something that I want to help you with here. See, my credibility comes from 20 years of working with people, speaking. I've created my own books, as you can see here. I have helped other people create their own books as well. So I have the experience at helping people create books, but also online courses, audios, video series. I have the experience to do that. And that's what I'm offering to you right now, is to offer you up somebody who can help you take your knowledge or hobby you love and turn it into a digital product that you can profit from and that you can benefit from. So what I'd like for you to do, if you're interested, is down below, there should be a box that appears, and it's a way for you to join me on a webinar that I'm going to be hosting and putting together. If you text 31996 and the word "The Side Hustle," that will put you on my text alert, so that once I release this webinar training, you'll be able to come in there and listen and really see how you turn your knowledge and your hobby into a side hustle that could make you six figures. Now, if you're watching this video later on, there may be already a description in the description box. There may be already a link down there to the webinar. But as of today's date that I'm releasing this, I'm putting that webinar together and I'm inviting people to connect with me so that they can learn how to actually do this. Now, out here in the internet, you're going to see a lot of different people talking about a lot of different things. But at the end of the day, your knowledge, your experience, and your results is the most valuable asset you actually have. And if you could just take what you already have and craft that into a product to help people who don't know what you know, that can build a six-figure income for you. It's just that simple. But you have to know how to package it. You also need to know how to stay focused on the task. And that's the thing that I'm really going to be talking about, is how you stay focused on the task of developing this product, of promoting this product, so you can benefit from this product. So if that makes sense to you, and you really like to learn how to do that, then let's stay connected here. First, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel also. So please hit the bell notification, hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to be doing these videos. So I'd love for you to subscribe. Then also, please text 31996 the side hustle so that you can be on my text alert when I release the training. This is an opportunity for you to do something that you've really wanted to do. You search the internet for videos on how to make six figures. Well, this is a video that's going to teach you how to actually do that based on what you already know and what you already love. So text 31996 the side hustle, subscribe to the channel, and I will share with you exactly how to do that. So once again, this is Johnny Campbell, the Transition Man. I wish you all the best in your success, and I'll see you in the next video.